I spent $15,000 on Facebook ads, but I got zero sales. Of course, I cannot do that. I'm too smart. However, this guy on Reddit, he's a developer. I found him on SaaS, which stands for Software as a Service, right? So it's a digital product. This guy is selling software. He says, I spent 15K over 7 months with zero revenue. So basically, he wrote a check for $15,000 and he sent it to Mark Zuckerberg immediately. And Mark Zuckerberg forget it in his mailbox. He didn't even like open the check to return some of the money back. You know what I'm saying? I know one should never spend without validating an idea, traction, and market. But I believe there are some products that need initial investment just to get started. That's the case of mine. I could be wrong, but I still doesn't believe so. I'm building in B2B SaaS space. This is my app. I also believe that B2B takes time. I'm open for criticism. Update. Thanks to the community for honest feedbacks. Means a lot. I've added that pricing, fixed few CTA, and design. There is still a lot to do. We'll implement all as soon as I can. So basically, this guy built an app. And I'm gonna talk about something extremely important. Could you think of like some of the greatest software as a service products ever created? I'm gonna give you a hint. It's ChatGPT. How long did it took ChatGPT to get to like 20 million users or like 1 million active users or whatever, paying users? It was extremely fast because their product was positioned in a unique way. And they just did it properly. They just did the launch properly. So this guy, he spent 15K over 7 months. He shared his app. Basically, as far as you get it, it's Shopify app. And this is what it helps you do. So if you have this thing, you can dress it up on an AI model. So there is very good, in my opinion, this is like an amazing product. If I was in like e-commerce, I'm like, oh, this is no brainer. So how come this guy is not getting any sales? How come this guy built this amazing website? And like, as you can see, there is like a lot of like stars and like fancy stuff, scrolls, right? So how come this guy is not crushing it? And here he has the table, right? Here he has the table and here's where it gets ugly. But I don't mind ugly. I'm ugly myself, but you still watch me. No, I'm actually not that ugly. I'm sorry, guys. I'll disappoint you. There are people much more uglier than me. I don't care. All right. So this is his website. He says there is something wrong. There is something wrong. Some of the things that I very much like is this comparison. So the way he could do it better is to do before and after. And here, instead of saying turn flat lies into stunning fashion models, I'm not sure what that means. Publish ready photos with zero photography skills. Cut photo production costs, save time, and boost conversion for your fashion e-commerce store. So here, as far as I know, I see this is AI. I see this is AI, but he doesn't mention it nowhere. So this AI will take stunning photo shoots for your e-commerce brand for free without wasting your time. Something like this, right? So this AI will replace something. It replaces something. This is why people love AI, because they use this as a replacement. So here he has like some images scrolling. I'm not sure what he means. And he says generated by Claude to Life, but people don't know what Claude to Life is. So you need to introduce the product better. So I would say, what do you have? What do you have? You need to explain what do you have. So first of all, if I could fix it, you need to say who is this for. So it's clear that it's like for Shopify, but I would say here's how Shopify businesses save tons of money on photography, right? Something like this, something like this. This brand new AI will help you do this without this, right? Then I would say I would have like, I don't like this scrolling by. I would like one image and just images like this before after before after before after. So this is the shirt. So you want to showcase what your AI will do. So very very simple. AI models tailored to age. No more wait for photo shoots. New releases instantly. Simply upload a flat image of a flat image of what, like of what, and let it turn into a captivating photo with models of varying ages, genders, emotions, and style. Save time and money. Here, I like this. I like this image a lot. I should, I think it should be somewhere around here. And here, notice that I directly go into the mobile version of the website. Mobile is the only thing I care, right? This is the only thing I care. If your desktop looks very, very good, I would just ignore it and go straight to mobile. So here he says get started for free, call to action. Again, he has like a lot of faces, so I'm not sure. Also, he has access to 2000 AI fashion influencers. Explore our existing gallery of 2000 AI fashion influencers. Tell, I think what you should also do, you should like showcase how the product works. So just do a video. Take a e-commerce brand and say, hey, this is this e-commerce brand called, let's say, t-shirts online or whatever. We have this t-shirt and you want to put this t-shirt on this beautiful model. And with one click, you could do it. And this is how it looks. This is what you could expect from my tool. This is how much it costs. This is why you should get it immediately, right? How it works. If you like do the showcase, okay, so he does it here. He does it. I also believe this should be at the very top of the page because it showcases. And so I would also say what's gonna happen afterwards, right? 49% more engagement, 50 times cheaper, from weeks to minutes, right? And here he says traditional quote to here I would make this much more appealing. So here the call to actions are not very, I'm not sure what you want me to do. Do you want me to install the app? Do you want me to book a call? Do you want me to just join your community? What do you want me to do, right? What do you want me to do? Just focus on one call to action. Don't ask me to do 11 things. And when you run your ads, optimize your ads for just one thing. So here, let's take a moment of truth. Let's take the moment of truth. What is happening, guys? What is happening? Let's think proactively. Stephen R. Covey, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. This guy has a product. He has one product, right? So he created the product and he went straight to ads. I believe is what happened. So he went straight to ads. Ads are not working. And this is a product that, for me, it sounds cool. I like it. I never do e-com stuff, or I rarely do e-com stuff. However, the only reasonable option would be, instead of going straight to ads, go to like Facebook groups and say, hey guys, I have this product. It's a new product, so I'm gonna give it to you for free if you tell me if it breaks, if you do a little bit Q&A test, right? Quality assurance or whatever it's called. Oh, this is how I would do it. And then based on the people who message you, you could say DM me, you could send them the demo, they could review the demo, they can generate some images. And here you have case studies. You have case studies. So people will do this for free for you, right? Just go to ecom groups and ask. Say, I'm testing my new Shopify software. I'm looking for 10 people to test it. It's free of charge. This is what we'll do. And then talk to people. Ask them how much should they pay for a similar solution. Just talking to them, you're going to get the marketing. They're going to create the marketing instead of you. Just go to the market, give it for free. And if people don't want to use it for free, probably it's a bad idea to go and spend 15K on ads, bruh. You can just PayPal me the 15K immediately. With the 15K, I'm gonna show what I'll buy. This is what I want. This is what I want. I want a Honda CR-V second gen for off-roading and camping, right? So the way it's gonna turn out, I'm gonna get me one of those beauties. Let me show you. This is a decent picture, old school, from the newspaper. And I'm gonna drive it off-road, beaches, mountains, forests. So this is what I'll do with your 15K. I think it's a very reasonable cost. So the way I do this, why I do this channel, to make it clear for you watching out there, all the money I make from this YouTube channel, I buy Honda CR-V second generation. It might take me 8 years. Right now, I have a Mercedes CLK 2002, a total beater, but it still runs and drives. Why spend money on a brand new car? Right? So this is my end goal with this channel. So I'm watching a lot of videos like, if I go on YouTube, up, this is not the case. And if I do camping in my car, you're gonna see like people are living the life. People go camping and I'm just making videos. And outside, if I turn my camera, you won't be able to see, unfortunately, but it is a beautiful, beautiful sunny day. It's end of August, birds are singing, it's not that hot anymore. However, this is the reality. This is why I do it. I do it for this beauty. So help me support my channel. To summarize this video, what's the number one mistake this guy made? What's the number one mistake? He was too scared to talk to people. Talk to people, right? Talk to your target market before spending money on ads. Let me zoom my camera a little bit and let me say it a little bit more clear so you could get it. Before creating a new product, talk to your market. This is Niko. Let me make my face much bigger. This is it. I use a very advanced software to make these videos. Make sure you subscribe. Last night I got 0 hours of sleep. So this is definitely taking some effect on my body. So if you want to help me support my channel, or if you don't want to help me support my channel, click subscribe, watch all my videos in order. Make sure you hear me. I'm making so much videos these days and I'm working so hard. I don't even have time to go to the barber, right? Yesterday I texted my barber and I was like, I want to come at 4, and he's like, can you do 5:30? I was like, no, I cannot do 5:30. What's happening? What's happening here, right? I started this agency, SMMA, Facebook ads, lifestyle to have more freedom, but I end up working like 12-hour days. And today I have a call at like 9 p.m. in some hours. So let's see. If I could make it through. This was the video for the day. Talk to people. Talk to your target market. Don't go talk to your friends, right? Ask people for money. Ask people for money. Because if you're like, I have this product, and they'll be like, oh, it sounds cool, and you're like, are you gonna use it? And they'll be like, yeah, it costs $20. And if they don't give you the money, then you know something's wrong. You know something's wrong. So yeah, talk to people. Ask for money. Let me do the fireworks. I know you're very entertained. You can see the sweat on my... I should turn on the AC. Right? This is the AC. I'm turning on the AC. Now it's gonna get noisy. So, fireworks. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Send this to your best friend. If you don't have any friends, share it on your Facebook wall. It's gonna be very well received. Bye.